Hey everyone, welcome back to the Sedated channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to dockerize a Next.js application. Docker makes it easy to package your app into a container that can run anywhere, ensuring consistency across environments. Let's dive in and get started. So there are two scenarios of dockerizing a Next.js project. You can either use create next app command to use Next.js's Docker template to create a new project, or you can dockerize an existing Next.js project. We'll see both the approaches. Let's start with first approach. For that, I'll open the terminal in this empty directory and run the following command, npx create next app, and we'll pass the example flag to select the template you want to use. Followed by the name of the template, which is with Docker, and then finally the name of the project. Let's wait for the commands to create the project folder. All right, the project is created. Now, if we check the project folder, we can see that it has the Docker file pre-configured, which can be used to create a Docker image of our Next.js project. So let's go ahead and build a Docker image of our project. For that, make sure a Docker is running on your system, and then run the docker build command. Give any name for the container image, and the path to dockerfile is current directory. Let's run it. All right, the image is created successfully. Now let's run it. For running the image, run the docker run command with the port that is defined in dockerfile and the image that we created like this. And it's running. Now let's check it in the browser. As you can see, the project loads as expected. So this was one way to dockerize a Next.js app. By creating a new project with Docker template. You can see this version of project uses pages router instead of the latest app router. So if you want to use that, I would recommend following the second approach. In second approach, we either already have a Next.js project or create a new project just by using create next app command without any template. Let's go ahead and create a new project. We're going to create next app command. Give a name to the project. Accept all the options as per your requirement. And now let's wait for the project to be created. And the project is created. Now the first step is to go to next config file. Inside next config, set output to standalone like this. And then I will simply copy the Docker file from the previous project folder to this one. And I will add the link of the latest Docker file in the description. And then I will run the docker build command, which we used previously to build the container image. Okay, it looks like there's an error. Let's see. What is it? Interesting. The public folder is missing for some reason. I'll just copy paste the public folder from the previous project. Now let's run the docker build command again. All right, the image was built successfully. Now let's test it. For that, let's run docker run command again. and reload the browser. And there we go. It works as expected. So you've successfully Dockerized your Next.js application, making it portable and easy to run anywhere. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more web development tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.